So we've moved into the house and we're looking out the front walkway, the front two entranceways, the screened porch, and then the front entranceway that goes to the other two side porches. And we're actually in the living room, or portion of the living room. And I'm sitting in one of the only places that the flooring isn't really crooked or sinking somewhere. I'm sitting right at the base of the stairs. I had to change the batteries. It wasn't out, but it was about to go out, and the other video timed out on itself and shut down. Just so I was getting ready to get up and shut it down anyway. So, then we're going to pan around. You see up. I don't know if it's letting you. I don't know what the lighting is like. Okay, there, it's coming into focus now. You can see the insulation over the door and one of the windows that's boarded up. They said the common sense to board that window up, but a bit late. There's the stairs above me. Going up to the second floor, and you can probably see a hole in the ceiling up there, which is like about right here. There's a hole in the ceiling on the second floor. I don't know how safe it is to try to go up the stairs. That actually, the center of the house kind of looks okay right there, but the top of the stairs going above the window does not. Matter of fact, I was watching this whole ceiling over here is only drywall. I mean, only insulation. And this big chunk of drywall by this other window that's just flat out missing. I don't know if it's going to come into focus or not because of the doorway. Take the doorway out. Ugh. It's pretty dark in here. I probably should have came here sooner. You can see the flooring over there, but it's really, really bad. Well, I'm pointing at the chair. There's the flooring. It's like, just in case you can't see it, I'm going to show right here. There you go. The one thing's not a crack, it's actually a jack on the wall for some data ports or phone lines. Which was promising to me to see. But of course it means nothing if the house is trashed, because it means that they're not usable. There's the data ports. Some electrical stuff underneath the stairs. Which part of it looks like it might be the doorbell? Go to the doorbell. I don't know. Let's get an idea of what's under the stairs. 10 tons of crap. Everywhere is crap. Show you the stairwell. Now, you can look over here. We got a middle wall right there, or a middle window. At least it looks metallic. I got drywall hanging down over my head. There's something missing, obviously, on the floors and everywhere. Then there's this weird chair in front of me. The paper that says, your copy of how to file a claim for asbestos. And what we see up here is a CPAP machine, which I really didn't notice that the other night. Or last night, rather. Not the other night, but last night at 2 in the morning. Actually, so it's this morning. Then we got this wall going up. And I guess that was the smoke detector there, which is, needs to say, smoke detector is gone. I don't know what that wire is hanging right there. Went to. So, here was obviously the wood stove. And you can see that it's gone. Missing, there's just a hole there. Okay. Busted a Papa's chair. More really nasty crap, another chair. It's just everywhere. This is at my feet. There's nowhere clean here. Not 1 inch. I can't pan you up. And then there's the back door. And yes, one of them is missing. And look at the garbage in front of it though. Man. Wait to see if it'll bring it into focus. What a mess. A nasty towel. Ick. Ick, ick, ick. It's back to that yellow room that I didn't go around the corner in. And one can sort of see why. We'll get through there in a minute. That is the bathroom. And it's bad too. Oh, of course in there, you know. There's a wall outside the bathroom. It's just nails and bad wood. But I don't know how much of these floors are even safe for me to walk on. So let's pick this up. I'm going to try to take a look, see where we can go with this. Let's peek out the back door. I don't know if we dare. Oh my God. It's... Can you see how separated it is from the door frame? It is not attached. That's the door frame right there. That's supposed to be attached. It has dropped away to where something but pressboard hanging there. And I am terrified of this. The rest of the deck. My eyes are burning. Please forgive me. There's a lizard. It's going over by the hot tub. I don't know if I can walk out that way. Or if I even want to. So I had a satellite dish once upon a time. Got electrical outlets out here by numerous amounts. Disconnected PVC pipes hanging. Who knows what they went to? Copper piping. Ugh. More PVC. That one looks still attached. Might be something to the bathroom upstairs. I don't know if I dare step out on this. I step in the door frame. Whoa. Oh wow. I stepped in the door frame. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm scared of it. This is the back side of that room. I don't know what you can see. You know, this was once really dang lovely. I mean, absolutely, you know, it had to have been. afraid to move. Oh, that one. You want to come in? There we go. Pretty. It was pretty. It was once really, really pretty. There's a view of the chicken coop up there. On the back porch. It's nice, the view from the back. I'm starting to smell sewage or something now. I'm not going to get you close enough to see that hot tub, because literally I'm just too terrified to go over there. I don't even want to go upstairs. I'm afraid to. We'll see, but I don't feel safe. Okay, so here's the bathroom. It had two shelves here. And of course, another doorway. So it had a shower with a round curvature. And it had a nice little garden tub. A little small one, but it's still a garden tub. There's the toilet ring. So it's not attached. Because that's where it's supposed to be sitting. And it's not. There's some water. It's not. Or spigot. Doesn't look like it's showing that. I'm seeing it on this little viewfinder. It looks like a big bug. I did have handicap rails. Little medicine chest. And bare electrical outlets. Nothing else. Nothing. Dangerous. And I've got some ceiling. Must be a fan vent. Ventilation. And there was light over here, still has a light cover. Amazing. And you can see out into the back through this square window here. Which, let me show you, there's a window in the bathroom that looks outside, but because it looks outside, it won't let you see the wall inside. Some firewood still, how about that? I just never realized there was firewood there. How about that? Still got the firewood next to the fireplace. Who would have figured? That's sad. So we'll go in through here and see the other part of the living room. It's getting dark and you're not going to be able to see anything. So I probably got to step this up and go on out of here. Let's see. There's the stairs again. This wall. This other door going out to the room that I told you I didn't want to go back into. Never mind. That's the front side porch to the right of the front of the building. We're going to come back in through here, grab a quick look into the kitchen, This was the kitchen. There was a gas pipe for propane right there. But the stove is stolen. The window's gone. That window's gone. You can see the trailer out there. I'm probably just whipping through this now. They stole the sink. There's the plumbing to it. But the sink is a big empty hole. And there's water on over the floor in a whole bunch of places. Like up under my feet here. In the doorway of the 2 rooms. Some kind of pantry shelves for dishes or something. I gotta rest this. I have to rest. Me and my arm must rest. If anybody hasn't seen an oxygen machine, it's a CPAP machine. Because he had some oxygen problems. Let's show this. One light fixture missing. Next light fixture missing. Next light fixture missing. Let's see if I can point at it. There it is. That's the back door out to the jacuzzi. And that door is missing. There's a full shot of the living room maybe. If I can zoom. There's where I was sitting with my things. Oh. And dare I go upstairs? Well, we're gonna try it. 12 minutes left on this video. I don't know what I'm looking at. I literally can't see for sweat in my eyes. I don't know how stable any of this is. Of course there's wood on here that I'm going to step over instead of moving. Which I should move, but I'm too stupid to. Hope this isn't dangerous. Please don't let me die and collapse if nobody knows it. So, I'm looking around without letting you all look. Another door missing. Crap load of electrical outlet stuff. Must have once upon a time been a data port desk. Hey. There definitely was some kind of internet. See, Jefferson Parker Storm Runners. Don't know what that was. Oh, man. Oh, wow. There's an old monitor. Oh, that's just sad. I want that for a reason. Respironics. It's another type of breathing machine to deliver medication. And that is an HP Pavilion. Wait a minute. I didn't get it on there. Yeah, guess I do have it on there. It's just reflecting something in it. That's an old monitor. Oh, you can see the porch is tilted in comparison to the window. That's not good. This is the front right side. And I'm going to have to set this camera down. Man. Old desk. I'm not going to try to pick up any dates or private stuff. Little corner alcove room with a closet. Look, that's what I'm looking at in there. Besides mold. Another alcove. The window is open, but there is a window. It looks out to the chicken coop. This one looks out to the side yard on the right hand side of the house. And these walls are painted in drywall. And there is a bat. Oh boy. We got a bat living in the belfry there. We're gonna come back out. And we have French doors, but I don't know how safe this flooring is. And I'm sure it's not. It's been wide open to the rain. Like somebody didn't want it to survive. Or it must have just stunk up here. Who knows? And they left it open, but then nobody ever came back to deal with it. This was his bedroom in the pictures. This would have been the bed with the telephone on the walls. And the two closets in the private pictures I was sent. I don't know if they were private, but additional pictures I was sent. Oh my God, there's poop up here. From some animal maybe. Just living here. Make sure I don't step in anything. See, there's a lot of tree stuff too. Let's try to go in and see this purple room. Oh yeah, somebody was still living here that wasn't supposed to be here, I'd say. Who knows, they might still be on occasion. Some little shoes, so it may have been a woman. But those are a man's breeches. Swimming trunks of a man. They got the knitting. And for the little men's underwear. So, there's the other porch. The other deck. I really don't feel safe up here. So, I felt a hole under my foot. Okay, out we go. Besides which, we got 5 minutes and it shuts off anyway on its own. So that was probably another smoke detector. Right there. Could have been a light, but I think it's a smoke detector. is the type of look. Look at that wiring. Jesus. Scary stuff, man. There's a big container of bleach in here. Well, down the stairs we're gonna go in a scared fashion. I didn't see them other decks really, but you'll have to just forgive me. I don't feel like this is safe at all. I think this is a condemned structure. Or it would be if the building inspector came out. They just haven't been out and don't know about it. But this place is condemned. That's a fact. Okay. Well, I'm going to set this camera down for a minute. We're going to sit. Oh, now maybe I can say hello. It won't let me see, so this might get cut if I don't like it. If I don't like it, it really will get cut, and that's just how it is. I am beat. It is so hot. I'm so over this. Okay, I think it's getting